Rockers, what's going on? Turbo here with you once again for another unboxing. And this time around, at the end of the month, it's coming, the boxes start rolling in for everyone around the world to collect them. For me, it is the Loot Crate time. Yes, Loot Crate's March 2016 crate arrived today, and the theme for March 2016 is Versus. Now, we've had a lot of Versus battles over the years, many to remember, too many to list. So let's get right into the goodies and see, did Loot Crate deliver this month on Versus, or did they epic fail? So let's get into it. As always, photos take a moment ago, and now I share with you with all the fancy editing and my thoughts on the items therein. First up, the t-shirt. Now, to be honest, the shirt is lost on me. I'm not a Star Trek fan. Now, it says Star Trek Mirror. I'm assuming it's from a particular episode of Star Trek. I do like the design. That it's done like a big fight, for like pay-per-view or whatever. Other than that, you're losing on me. The old thing is, you're Star Trek or Star Wars, and I am Star Wars. But a cool shirt for Star Trek, and points to look like I'm making it a gray shirt and not black. So a Star Trek shirt right there. Now, even though spring is coming up on us, the next thing up, you still can use, it's still chilly. A Loot Crate exclusive beanie. Check it out. As you can see here, it's red. The double D for Daredevil. I am behind on my Daredevil watching. I need to see season 2. But this hat's got more than what you see, because it's reversible. You flip it inside out, and bang, you get a black hat with the Punisher logo on the inside. A 2-for-1 beanie, and we know what that's all about. Daredevil versus Punisher. Yes, it starts in the series. The comic book is happening. So a nice beanie, well made. Nice logos. Although I think the logos could have probably been spread out around the brim instead of just being one spot. But still a good quality beanie, reversible beanie. Daredevil one side, Punisher the other. Good item right there. Next up, a Mystery Titan. Alien vs. Predator. Loot Crate exclusive. You either got Alien, or you got Predator. Who did I get? Well, I opened it up. Check it out, I got Predator. Always liked Predator better. Always thought he was more badass. You why? You can't see his face. You don't know what he's thinking. His facial expression doesn't give it away. And after all, he's got dreads. And you can't go wrong with dreads on any type of character. Especially one as badass as Predator. So a Predator, Loot Crate exclusive Mystery Titan right there. Keeping up with the Versus theme, Batman vs. Superman is coming, and I got this. A Mighty Wallet. Batman vs. Superman theme. This is my second Mighty Wallet. They gave us a Simpsons one. in the Loot Crate anniversary box from last Christmas, 2014. And I still have it. It worked really well. It's good. It's durable. So I'll take it. Nothing wrong with having another wallet around, especially one that will last. So Batman vs. Superman wallet. Mighty wallet. And what else? A comic book. A Loot Crate exclusive Harley Quinn alternate cover of issue number 1. Loot Crate exclusive cover right there. I don't know how it plays into Versus, other than she's a villain for Batman, but still a cool variant cover of Harley Quinn issue number 1 Loot Crate exclusive right there. And of course, can't forget the Loot pin. Here is this month's Versus Loot pin. It's Alien versus Predator on the pin. Really good detail this month, and really big. Do not let this photo fool you. Very big, very detailed, very well done pin for Loot pins for Versus. Now normally this would be the end of my video, but this month my level up arrived with my Loot Crate. So let's check out level up for Versus for the March 2016. Now with level up you can either get a wearable item, a shirt, socks, or accessories. I've gone with the socks, so get 2 pairs of socks that fit the Versus theme. And I gotta admit, these look cool. Check it out. First up, Mario vs. Bowser. Very awesome socks here. The design is amazing for socks. Heavy duty, I mean, just look at that. That's like comic book style. Right out of the manuals even. So that's the first pair of socks, right there for Versus. And the second pair of socks, well, what else do you think of Versus? Check these out. Shield versus Hydra. Yes, when you're walking around, your feet can fight it out. Hydra on one side, Shield on the other. Very cool socks right there as well. So there you go, gang. Both the Loot Crate and level up for the Versus March 2016. Well, that's it. Now that's it. Until next time, you guys just keep on rocking, rockers.